everybody, Johnny B. Good here. Welcome to Wyoming. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Unfortunately, the wind gust here is just incredibly strong. Somewhere around 50 miles an hour crosswind. Temperature here is at 50 degrees. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. Today is Saturday, February 7th, 2015. Other than this very, very strong crosswind, everything's doing well. By the way, I managed to drive 704 miles last night on an 11-hour period. No, 11-hour driving anyway. A big, big difference from driving, only driving 630 miles, doing 60 miles an hour. So yeah, I suppose unfortunately we can't go fast at this very, very strong wind right now. We are between Laramie and Rawlins, Wyoming. Barbara Miller, I almost forgot my manners. Greetings to you, Barb. And of course to Dalius, our Lithuanian ambassador. Yeah, I'm kind of wondering what that is too. It looks like tarp on wheels. I hope those are not snow clouds up there. They sure look like it though. Or rain. By the way, the local time here is 10:13 a.m. Oh, that's all I got for you guys right now. So we'll catch you guys later. For now, have a good and godly day. And you guys take care out there. Johnny B. Good here. Peace.